Your compassion and caring for others is beautiful and unique. I will do all I can to support you in our life together, and to be open, honest, and sympathetic to you always. You're my shining light, my life explorer until the end of my days, and I will, with all my power, continue to make the music for our souls to dance to.
Forward, I promise that I will continue to put forth my best effort now and forever to support our marriage and to make appropriate sacrifices to prioritize you and our love. And I can't wait for the test of time to prove it all over and over again. I love you, Karel. And I couldn't be more happy to take you as my husband now until the end of our days.